Hey, what's up, everybody? It's a nice, beautiful Sunday here on Saipan. This is Simple Slice. I'm Frank.
And I'm Tima.
And we're going to the beach.
We're going to the
And
beach.
we're going to the beach. And me too.
And you
me
too.
too.
And April too.
And
All the
Daddy.
family will go to the beach.
Tipsy.
Even Mario. It's Mario's first time at the beach.
And he's shaking on the beach.
Yeah, today is Ava's birthday, and we've been invited to their beach birthday party. Ava is my niece, Nicolette's daughter, and we're gonna have a fun day at the beach today.
I think this is the first time that we're gonna have them in our channel. So stay tuned and join us as we have fun at the beach.
Right, we're gonna have my family there. My sister should be there, and her daughters, my nieces, and we'll introduce you to them. Should be a great day. What do you think, babe? Great day, right?
It is. The weather is cooperating. It's sunny.
Yeah, beautiful day
Right?
for
It's
a barbecue.
Beautiful day.
Or a birthday party.
And I can play in the beach. And swim in Mario.
All right,
Mario.
guys.
Even Mario's excited, right, Mario? Right, Mario? All right. Okay.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Whose birthday is it? Raise your hand.
Ava!
Happy birthday, Ava. And how old are you now, Ava?
6. Hi, Mermaid.
That's the birthday girl.
Thank you.
Say hi.
Hi.
6 years old now, going to Cagman Elementary School. What grade? K5? First grade? Oh, wow. You're still K5. As always, everyone, thank you for making it this far in the video. We would like to thank everyone for supporting our channel. We truly appreciate you. Here in the islands, we always appreciate time with our families. It was great hanging out with my sister and her family. Even on a tiny island, life gets in the way, and we don't always get to see each other. But when we do, we appreciate our time together. Happy birthday again to Ava. She is so energetic, and our kids love playing with her, Chloe, Haley, and Riley. Franco and April are no longer afraid of the ocean, and I think it's because they showed them The ocean can be fun and not scary. Big shout out to the Nerosui family for hosting the birthday barbecue. We love you guys. Thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe to our video and hit that notification bell so you will be notified of our next video. Thank you, everyone.